at times you can face this problem with your Kia Seltos car. That is, while you're driving at a perfect speed of say 35, 36 or 40 kilometers per hour, and you stop in a signal, like I stopped right now, the car will not be stopped automatically. That means the idle stop button or idle stop mode is not working. So in this case, what would you do? I'll help you out with the solution to this problem. For solving this issue, you need to first turn off the car, absolutely off mode, and then wait for a minute or so. Then just press the clutch and press the ignition button here, and the car will start. Leave the clutch, turn off the car, again press the clutch and turn on the car. Leave the clutch, turn off the car, again press the clutch, turn on the car, leave the clutch, turn off the car, and for the last time, again press the clutch and turn on the car, leave the clutch and turn off the car, and thus just get out of the car and close the door and lock the vehicle like this. So the car is locked, and keep the car in idle mode, in this particular mode, in off mode, for 4 hours, and then once you drive, you can see the idle start stop will start working.